Let's learn the fruit names with the help of flashcards. Thanks for landing here. Subscribe to our channel to learn with fun. Grapefruit. G for grapefruit. Kiwi. K for kiwi. Watermelon. W for watermelon. Pineapple. P for pineapple. Orange. O for orange. Chestnut. C for chestnut. Peach. P for peach. Pear. P for pear. Grapes. G for grapes. Lemon. L for lemon. Banana. B for banana. Mango. M for mango. Apple. A for apple. Cherry. C for cherry. Pumpkin. P for pumpkin. Avocado. A for avocado. Papaya. P for papaya. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel to learn with fun.